Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wealth Window. In today's fast-paced world, the dream of retiring early is more attainable than ever, and this video will guide you through a practical 10-year plan to make it a reality. We'll explore the essential steps you need to take to achieve financial independence, allowing you to enjoy life on your own terms. Financial independence is not just a buzzword, it's a lifestyle choice that empowers you to break free from the traditional work-life grind. By planning your retirement strategically, you can create a future where you have the freedom to pursue your passions, travel, or spend quality time with loved ones. The importance of this journey cannot be overstated, as it lays the foundation for a secure and fulfilling life. Throughout this video, we will delve into the key components of an effective retirement plan, including budgeting, investing, and saving strategies. We'll also highlight the numerous benefits of early retirement, such as reduced stress, improved health, and the opportunity to explore new hobbies or ventures. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to take actionable steps toward your early retirement goal. So, whether you're just starting your career or are already on your journey, join us as we unlock the secrets to retiring early with a solid 10-year plan. Your future self will thank you. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation. The first step in your journey to early retirement is to thoroughly assess your current financial situation. Begin by reviewing your income sources, including your salary, side hustles, and any passive income streams. Understanding how much money you bring in each month is crucial for effective planning. Next, take a close look at your expenses. Categorize them into fixed costs like rent or mortgage payments and variable costs, such as dining out or entertainment. This will help you identify where your money is going and where you can cut back. Creating a net worth statement is an essential part of this assessment. List all your assets, such as savings accounts, investments, and property, and subtract your liabilities, including debts like credit cards and loans. This visual representation of your financial health will provide clarity on your current standing and help you set realistic goals. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, identify areas for improvement. Look for opportunities to increase your savings potential, such as reducing discretionary spending or refinancing high-interest debts. Consider setting up an automatic savings plan to ensure you consistently contribute to your retirement fund. By taking these steps, you'll lay a solid foundation for your 10-year plan, making it easier to achieve the financial independence necessary for early retirement. Remember, the more informed you are about your finances, the better equipped you'll be to make strategic decisions moving forward. Step 2. Set clear retirement goals. Setting clear retirement goals is a crucial step in your journey toward early retirement. Start by determining your desired retirement age and the lifestyle you envision for yourself. Consider factors such as where you want to live, the activities you wish to pursue, and any travel plans you have in mind. This vision will serve as a motivating force and help you stay focused on your objectives. Next, calculate the amount of money you will need to support your desired lifestyle during retirement. Take into account your expected living expenses, healthcare costs, and any additional activities you plan to engage in. A common rule of thumb is to aim for 70 to 80% of your pre-retirement income annually. This figure will give you a clearer target for your retirement savings. Once you have a solid understanding of your retirement needs, establish both short-term and long-term financial goals to guide your plan. Short-term goals might include building an emergency fund or paying off high-interest debt, while long-term goals could involve maximizing contributions to retirement accounts or investing in assets that appreciate over time. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals, you create a roadmap that will keep you accountable and motivated. Regularly review and adjust these goals as necessary to ensure they align with your evolving vision of retirement. With clear goals in place, you'll be well on your way to achieving the financial independence needed for an early retirement. Step 3. Create a budget to maximize savings. Creating a budget is a vital step in maximizing your savings for early retirement. Start by tracking your monthly income and expenses to gain insight into your spending habits. Use tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps to categorize your expenses, making it easier to see where your money is going. This awareness will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. One effective budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule. This approach divides your after-tax income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Needs include essential expenses like housing, utilities, and groceries, while wants cover discretionary spending such as dining out and entertainment. The 20% allocated for savings should be directed toward your retirement accounts and investments. Once you've established your budget, it's essential to adjust it to prioritize retirement savings. Consider reducing your spending in the wants category to increase your savings rate. For instance, cutting back on dining out or subscription services can free up additional funds for your retirement goals. Additionally, explore ways to boost your income, such as taking on a side job or freelancing, and funnel that extra money directly into your retirement savings. By creating a budget that emphasizes savings and investments, you'll be taking significant steps toward achieving financial independence and enjoying the early retirement you desire. Regularly review and adjust your budget to stay on track and ensure you're making progress toward your goals. Step 4. Invest wisely for growth. Investing wisely is a crucial component of your early retirement plan, as it allows your money to grow over time. Start by researching different investment options available to you, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Each of these options has its own risk and return profile, so understanding how they work will help you make informed decisions. When selecting investments, it's essential to consider your risk tolerance and time horizon. Risk tolerance refers to how much volatility you can handle in your investment portfolio. If you're comfortable with higher risk, you might lean more towards stocks, which can offer greater returns but come with increased fluctuations. Conversely, if you prefer stability, bonds may be a better fit. Your time horizon also plays a significant role. The longer you have until retirement, the more risk you can typically afford to take. Diversifying your portfolio is another key strategy to minimize risk while maximizing returns. By spreading your investments across various asset classes and sectors, you reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance on your overall portfolio. For example, a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds can provide a balanced approach that captures growth while cushioning against market downturns. Regularly review and adjust your investment strategy as needed, ensuring it aligns with your retirement goals and changing market conditions. By investing wisely, you'll be well on your way to building the wealth necessary for an early and fulfilling retirement. Step 5. Monitor and adjust your plan. Regularly, monitoring and adjusting your retirement plan is essential to ensure you stay on track toward your early retirement goals. Begin by reviewing your financial progress at least annually. This review should include an assessment of your income, expenses, savings, and investment performance. By taking the time to evaluate your financial situation, you can identify any discrepancies between your goals and your current status. As you review your progress, be prepared to make adjustments to your budget and investments as needed. Life circumstances can change, whether it's a new job, a significant expense, or shifts in your financial priorities. Adapting your budget to reflect these changes will help you maintain your savings momentum. Additionally, if certain investments are underperforming or if your risk tolerance has shifted, consider reallocating your assets to better align with your goals. Staying informed about market trends and economic changes is also crucial. Financial markets can be volatile, and external factors such as interest rates, inflation, and economic policies can impact your investments. By keeping abreast of these trends, you can make informed decisions about when to buy, sell, or hold your investments. Regularly monitoring and adjusting your plan not only helps you stay aligned with your retirement goals, but also empowers you to respond proactively to changes in your financial landscape. This ongoing commitment will ultimately enhance your chances of achieving the financial independence necessary for an early and fulfilling retirement. Step 6. Prepare for retirement lifestyle changes. Preparing for lifestyle changes in retirement is just as important as financial planning. As you approach this new chapter, consider how you will spend your time once you leave the workforce. Many retirees find that having a structured plan for their days helps maintain a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Think about what activities excite you, whether it's traveling, volunteering, or spending more time with family and friends. Healthcare costs are another critical aspect to consider. As you age, medical expenses can become a significant part of your budget. Plan for these costs by researching health insurance options, including Medicare and supplemental plans. Understanding your coverage will help you avoid unexpected expenses and ensure you have access to necessary medical care. Additionally, explore hobbies and activities that will enrich your retirement experience. Engaging in new interests can provide a sense of accomplishment and joy. Whether it's taking up gardening, learning a musical instrument, or joining a local sports league, finding fulfilling activities can enhance your quality of life. Consider also the social aspect of retirement. Building and maintaining relationships can greatly impact your happiness and well-being. Look for community groups or clubs that align with your interests, as these can provide opportunities for social interaction and support. By preparing for these lifestyle changes, you'll not only ensure a smoother transition into retirement, but also create a fulfilling and enjoyable experience that aligns with your personal goals and aspirations. Key takeaways for early retirement. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to achieve early retirement through a well-structured 10-year plan. We began by emphasizing the importance of assessing your current financial situation, which lays the groundwork for your retirement journey. Setting clear retirement goals helps you visualize your desired lifestyle and the financial resources needed to support it. Creating a budget to maximize savings is crucial, as it allows you to allocate funds effectively and prioritize retirement contributions. Investing wisely for growth ensures that your money works for you, while regular monitoring and adjustments keep your plan aligned with your goals. Finally, preparing for lifestyle changes in retirement helps you transition smoothly into this new phase of life, ensuring you find fulfillment and purpose. As you embark on this journey, remember that planning for early retirement is not just about finances. It's about creating a life you love. Take actionable steps today, whether it's reviewing your budget, researching investment options, or exploring new hobbies. Every small effort counts toward your ultimate goal of financial independence. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on retirement planning and financial wellness. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who may also benefit from these insights. Together, let's take the steps necessary to achieve the early retirement you've always dreamed of.